Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about cube of the difference of a binomial. This maths is intended to grade 8 students. So when you say binomial, so there are two terms inside the circle brackets, and then the exponent must be 3 because this is cube. Okay, so recall our Pascal's triangle. So 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then always 1 diagonally. So this will be 1 again. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1. So these are the numerical coefficients of our terms. So the first term is 3y cubed, and then second term is 4x. So to expand this one, so based on the numerical coefficient, this will be 1. So take note, the first term will be, the exponent must be decreasing, and then the second term will be increasing. So this will be 1. Understood, there is 1 in here. So this will be 3y cubed 3. Okay? Because this is cube. And then starting with 4x raised to the 0 power. And then plus minus. So this will be minus. Numerical coefficient is 3. This will be 3. Then, first term will be 3y cubed. As what I said, decreasing. So this will be 2. And then this will be increasing. So this will be 4x raised to the first power. Okay, next will be 3 again because we have 1, 3, 3, 1. So plus minus, this will be plus. So 3. Then the first term will be decreasing. So 3y cubed 1. Okay, understood, there's 1 in here. And then the second term is increasing. 4x squared. Then minus because plus, minus, plus, minus. So this will be 3. Take note, there is 1 in here. 3y cubed raised to the 0 power. And then this will be 4x cubed. Okay? So this will be 3y cubed raised to the third power. This will be 3 raised to the third power, meaning 3 times 3 times 3. Or this will be equal to 27. So this is 27. Y. How about the exponent? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, take note, any number or variable raised to 0 is equals to 1. So this will be equal to 1. Minus 3 times 4x, this will be 12x. And then simplify this one. What is 3 to the second power? This will be 9. Then exponent, 3 times 2 is 6. So this will be y6. Then plus. This one, 3 times 3 is 9. 9y cubed. Then expand this one. This will be 4 squared will be 16. Then this will be x squared. Minus. As what I said, any variable, any number raised to 0 except 0. This will be indeterminate. We don't entertain this kind of base. So this will be 1 times 4x raised to the third power. So this will be 27y to the 9 times y. This will be 27y to the 9. Then minus 12 times 9. So what is 12 times 9? So 12 times 9, this will be 18, carry 1, 108. So this is 108 x, y to the 6. Then this will be plus. What is 16 times 9? 6 times 9 is 54, carry 5, 9, 144. So this will be 144 x squared y cubed, and then this will be minus, okay, 4 raised to the third power is 4 raised to the third power, meaning 4 times 4 times 4. So this will be 16 times 4 is 64. So this will be 64x cubed. So this is my final answer. That's all.